In this video, we're going to explore habit integration, merging two habits at the same time. Here we're going to combine walking with strengthening exercises. So take a hold of your resistance band, hold it shoulder width apart, and start to walk. Your elbows are by your side and you're separating your hands. This is targeting your rotator cuff muscles, the muscles that seat the arm bone in the socket well. From here, straighten your arms and just open wide and release into a letter T with your arms, working your upper back muscles. Make sure you're breathing as you do this. Now let's add some diagonals. Now, of course, if you're actually traveling through space, it would behoove you to keep your eyes in front of you so you don't run into something. Now take an overhand grasp of the strap, shoulder width apart. We're going into bow and arrow, one of my favorite exercises for strengthening the shoulder. I'm turning side so you can see what's happening with my back elbow there. You exhale as you pull, the other arm is reaching straight forward in front of you. And pull and release. I love this exercise. Now we're going to place one hand on a hip, and you're going to take the imaginary sword out of the scabbard and brandish it. Pull it out, brandish, and again, you might want to keep your eyes straight ahead. But if you're doing this in place, go ahead and turn your head and have your gaze on the moving hand. And switching sides, and just keep your feet and legs walking and moving. So you're getting the benefit of the cardiovascular work with the muscular work. This is something that I've taught in group classes outdoors, and it's a big hit. This is what I call the up and over. Notice how I adjusted my grasp on the strap to make it wider, to allow me to lift and lower the arms with my shoulders down and elbows straight. Now the band is behind the waist and you are going to do an exercise called serving trays. Keeping the spine upright, and you're reaching forward as if you're sharing hors d'oeuvres with a friend.